And hello everyone, Gabe the Izzard here. I am in the Buffalo National River Park, right off of Highway 65. Basically what you call like the middle Buffalo, right before you start to hit the lower Buffalo River. Doing a little camping at I'm on a little walk. It's on a designated path. Let's just say I'm camping somewhere close to Grinder's Ferry. Little horse trail going on here. Little footpath. I'm just out enjoying some of God's creation. Checking out some of the dogwoods that are blooming, the little white. They always stand out really well. Today is April 10th, I think. Maybe 11th, maybe 12th. It's the 11th. Just gonna show a little bit of what's going on around here. Beautiful day. It rained all night last night. The sun is out, blue sky. It's about 60 degrees. Got my Arkansas shirt on. Looks like I had, those aren't pecs. Those are titties. Go ahead, tag along. Even though I can hear the road not too far from me, it's still cool to be out here in this nature. So I've reached this double yellow marker. There's a trail to the left, to the right, and a trail to the left, and then that's the way I just came. That has a white marker on it. So I know that I'm camped that direction, but I know that there's not a trail that leads that way from where I'm camping. So I'm gonna go this way and see where it takes me. I feel like I've been walking uphill for the most part the entire way. Now it's starting to go downhill. This is the trail I'm walking on, and you can tell that a road used to be here at some point, heading up in that direction, possibly to an old home site, because there's lots of old homesteads around here. You'll only really know whenever you start to see maybe a little rock structure or some metal, and I've seen neither. But I am going downhill. I got off the main path and got down here, saw this little creek bottom. So I came down here to look at it and ran across the old road, and it looks like it's a game path now, a game trail. So I'm just gonna walk down it till I get to where I want it to be. Back on the trail. That little road was right there, and it came to the trail. And there's a lot of horse dung. But I think it got off trail for one reason. So I'd find this bottle. Take this back and throw it in the proper receptacle. As I'm coming down to the end. This is the road that I started on. But the trail started that way. There is a yellow tag on it, so it's a marked path, not a road. All right, gonna do some road hiking this way. It always looks so prehistoric out here. A tornado came through here not too long ago, pushed these trees down, but It did not bring that up here. This was brought up here by man. Here's Grinder's Ferry. People are out camping. And people actually used to jump off of that cedar tree right there into the Buffalo River. Some people might still do it, but I'm not. Somebody forgot their pink baby blanket up here in the middle of this trail. Yeah, people climb out here on this and jump down there. They measured it one time when I was here. It's 52 feet. Now I've jumped from this cedar tree right there one time, and then there's a couple places on down there. But the only way you can get to it is just swimming across and climbing up. That's the Highway 65 bridge. Ranger's over there talking to that guy. Well, I got my life jacket on. I'm in the canoe for my inaugural float. Now I gotta float a little bit here. I haven't floated in about 15 years, and I'm about to go down the Buffalo River from Grinder's Ferry to Gilbert. Tomorrow, I might do a little bit more. So, let's see how this goes. Beautiful day out here on the water, but it is very windy, and we are battling the wind. There's my friend Mike and his son Abel. They're battling it just as much as I am, but it's still a nice day to be out here on the Buff. And that's going to do it for today. Had a great day of hiking and floating on the Buffalo River. Now I'm just enjoying a campfire with some friends, enjoying a little bit of nature. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Later.